Hi everyone, welcome back to Car Fix. And today we're going to be fixing this door handle. As you can see from there, just touching it, the screws, the holes for the screws have become too big for the actual screw, so it just falls out. As you can see, this has been screwed in many times, and every single time it happens, it's one of them cheap hollow doors. And even though they're supposed to have a block there that helps you screw them in, they always fall out. So what I'm going to be doing is plugging these holes with some sticks, made of matchsticks or like cocktail sticks, and PVA wood glue. Shove it in there, let it dry, and it should fill the holes and allow you to re-screw your handles back into the door, and hopefully this should last for some time. So I'm going to get on with that now. So you go, see, I just got some straightforward normal cocktail sticks. It'll focus. I'm going to snap the ends off, dip them in glue, and shove them in there to try and fill them holes. Glue them using normal, everyday PVA, kids sticky glue or wood glue. It's basically the same thing. So yeah, I'm just going to shove this in the end, get plenty of glue on it, as you can see, and then shove it in the door and snap it off. And just keep doing this, building it up. Doesn't really matter if it sticks out a bit, we can saw that off at the end. What you want is it to be tight in there. See, that's one in, get a better angle. See, they are sticking out a little bit. We can obviously shave them off. Next hole. Using plenty of glue. Shove it in. Snap it off. Just keep repeating in all the holes you want to fill. This one's a massive hole. It'll take even more. Get a hammer to tap them in. Just really get them in there. You just keep rinsing and repeating the same steps. Really try and fill them up tight. Okay, so as you can see now, bring a bit closer. These are now filled. So what we'll do is give it half an hour or so to dry, then we'll come and shave the ends off, screw the handle back in, and hopefully then the screws will grip and we've got a perfectly working handle again. So let's leave it now to dry and I'll be back with you in a small amount of time. Right, so back and the glue should have dried, so now I'm going to use the trusty little saw to saw off the shavings if I can. I'll fit flat off to the door, take the blade out. Right, so the blade won't go flush with the door, so I'm just taking the blade out of the saw so you can just chop these off. Get rid of the majority of the excess. Get a bit stiffer sandpaper to give it a flat surface. Doesn't have to be perfect. That seems like it should be good enough. If it's not, and you see there's more holes in there, you can always shove some more sticks in, but let's get a handle and see if it screws in. Screwdriver's a bit small, so we'll get another one. Actually, I'll screw it into that new wood and it should hold it tight. As you can see, I'm going to have to put some force into it to get it in there. So there, we've screwed all 4 screws in, and now look at it, solid working handle. Put the plate back on. There you go. Well, say there you go. There you go, pulling on it now. It isn't coming off. So yeah, it's an easy fix for your broken door handles on any wooden door really, but especially on these crappy hollow ones, to get your handles to stay back on, because these have caused me so many problems. I looked online, found this trick, works a treat, thought I'd share it with you. So if you like the fix, hit the like, favourite and subscribe, and peace.